What's up, air signs? I'm the Central Healer. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell, select all. Always remember, some things may or may not resonate, so take what resonates and leave the rest here, okay? Hopefully y'all having a blessed and wonderful day, amen, okay? I'm going to see what Spirit wants you to know. This is for Gemini, Libra, Aquarius here, okay? Let's get into this. This is for air signs, please. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, okay? So we have the letter T coming out. This is for air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, please. Somebody has left leg tattoos here. Okay. We have G. This is for air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, please. We have Y. Somebody think it could be Ty. We have I. Somebody could have some big boobies. What? Amen. Somebody could have some big boobs. We have the letter N. This is for fire signs, please. Somebody has long curly hair. So we have T. Somebody has left leg tattoos. We have G, Y, I. Somebody has big boobs. We have the letter N, and somebody has long curly hair, okay? Message for fire signs, please. Oh, amen. Oh, y'all having a blessed one. Well, day, amen. That's a lot, okay? Somebody's pregnant. I don't know if they know it, but they're pregnant. Somebody's pregnant. Okay? This is for air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, please. The letter Y. So somebody with a Y name is pregnant here. N or Y. Somebody could be from New York or in New York as well. Oh, snap. Somebody has sex with animals. I just got the chills. What? Amen. Okay, so somebody has sex with animals. Huh. Okay. This is for air signs, please. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I'm laughing. I got the chills all over my body. I'm like grossed out but laughing at the same time. Hold on. I'm done. Okay. Okay. What? Amen. Oh, snap. Amen. Okay. Okay, somebody has dark skin. The letter Y. Somebody has dark skin. Somebody has sex with animals. Okay. We have the letter G. I'm so done. So done, y'all. Oh my word. That's a lot. Okay, so somebody has right leg tattoos. Somebody has blue eyes. Somebody's trisexual. That means they will try sex with anything, and that kind of goes with this having sex with animals, okay? Somebody has French tip nails as well. We have H. Somebody wears a lot of thongs. This is for air signs, please. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I'm done, y'all. Okay. Oh, there's some there. Somebody has braids or dreads. We have letter F. We have P. And we have U. It's just like lots of cards coming out at the same time. It's like, what? Amen. Somebody has light brown hair. Messages for air signs, please. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, please. There's a tall female. There's a tall female with light brown hair. This tall female paid people to come against you here. This tall female with light brown hair. It's raining. I told you that sounded like it was going to rain. We have L hit the ground, and again, that person done magic on you here. So L hit the ground. Okay. We have C. We have S. Messages for air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, please. Okay. So we have a water sign male, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio male that stole somebody's money, and we also have a fire sign male here as well. So we have somebody with the letter T here. Somebody has big boobs. Somebody has a left leg tattoo. We have G, Y, I. Okay, we have letter N. Somebody has long curly hair. Somebody is pregnant. Okay, the letter N or letter Y. Somebody has sex with animals. Okay. Somebody has dark skin. We have the letter G. Somebody has right leg tattoos. Somebody has blue eyes. Somebody is trisexual. That means they will try sex with anything and everything, and that kind of coincides with this having sex with animals, okay? Somebody has French tip nails. We have the letter H. Somebody wears a lot of thongs. Somebody has braids or dreads. We have letter F. P. Oh, excuse me, y'all. We have U. P, S, T, U. Somebody has a light brown hair. We have a tall female. There's a tall female that paid people to come against you here. This person definitely done magic on you. We have the letter L, C, S. We also have a water sign male, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio male. Somebody stole your money here. And we have a fire sign. I thought it was a fire sign male. So we have a water sign male and a fire sign female here, okay? That was involved with stealing somebody's money here, okay? On the top of the deck over here is don't trust your neighbors. Don't trust your neighbors, okay? And it was the only card flipped up right, like, so do not trust your neighbors, okay? Because all the other cards are facing down. So don't trust your neighbors. Message for air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, please. We have an ant. Ooh. And we have somebody's aunt that has a truck here. Let me light some more sage, y'all. Okay. So somebody's aunt or auntie drives a truck here. You're spiritually protected from this aunt that drives this truck. We have Rachel or Raquel, however you pronounce it in your... Okay, we have a half-brother. Yeah, somebody has Egypt ties here. The color yellow is significant. Somebody could have yellow vehicle, yellow house. Color yellow is significant. We have the letter T. There's something here with some abundance, okay? Oh, somebody faked their death to obtain abundance. The color white, somebody has a white vehicle or the name White. Oh, truth. So somebody faked their death here for some money. Okay. So somebody faked their death for some money. In January, somebody faked their death in January for some money here. Somebody's last name is White, or somebody has a white vehicle. Oh, okay, somebody also sold somebody's house here. Pamela. Did somebody sell Pamela's house? Did Pamela sell somebody's house? So Tamla is the one that sold somebody's house here, okay? So Tamla sold somebody's house. And somebody faked their death in January for life insurance. Yeah, so somebody's crying now, okay, because I guess they're getting caught up, okay? Somebody's getting caught up. Yeah, the CIA is here as well. Okay, there's something significant about a school. We have Bonnie. Was in a domestic violence situation. My condolences for whoever's going through that, or, you know, been through that or still going through that here, okay? But if you're definitely in that situation, you should definitely get out, okay? Like real talk. That's not good for anybody, okay? We have Ruby. We have Alice. What's up, y'all? Message for Airsigns, humanity, Aquarius, please. Okay, there's something about a fire, or somebody's a fire sign. I'll figure that out in a minute for you guys. We have Caleb. These people are gang stalking, okay? Ruby, Alice, fire sign, Aries, Sagittarius, and Caleb. These people are gang stalking somebody. We have Lewis. What's up with Lewis? Mariah. What's up with Lewis and Mariah? Okay, something is significant with the airplane. These people are doing something for money. To get rich. Somebody's doing this to get rich. Is somebody gang stalking with the airplane for money? Is that somebody's name, Rich? No. People are getting rich for gang stalking somebody with the airplane. I have the airplane flying over me all day and all night long. Helicopters sometimes too. Drones, helicopters, airplanes. This is every day. These are people who are doing it for money. Gang stalking. Okay, so somebody is spiritually protected from an ant here that has a truck, okay? We have the name Rachel or Raquel. We have a half-brother here as well. Somebody definitely has Egypt ties. Somebody could have a yellow vehicle. We have the letter T. Somebody definitely faked their death here to obtain some money, some wealth here, okay? We also have the color white is significant, okay, or the name white, and that's the truth, okay? Somebody sold somebody's house in January. The name Tamala sold somebody's house. Now this person is crying. The CIA is definitely up in this energy, okay? There's something significant with the school here and the name Bonnie. There was definitely some domestic violence involved, okay? Like I said, you should definitely get out of that situation if you can. Any kind of domestic violence situation if you can, okay? It's always better in the end, okay? I promise you. We have the name Ruby. We have the name Alice. Somebody's a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. We have the name Caleb, okay? And these people are gang stalking. We have Lewis as well. We have Mariah as well. Somebody's doing gang stalking with the airplane, okay? For money to get rich, okay? So that's what I got for air signs. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell, select all. Y'all have a blessed day, amen, okay?